Welcome to Ye Bhi Unbox. In this video, I'm going to unbox and review 3 new skin bamboo round neck vests from the brand DaMENSCH. Let's open them one by one and do Sidhi Baat, no bakwas. This is natural black. Here's a guarantee card and wash care instructions at the back of this card. This is the front. Very light in weight. Little shiny with self lines designed. The cloth is 4-way stretchable. This is the back. DaMENSCH branding on back middle top. It's 2 times softer than cotton. Cloth is very thin, therefore light but little transparent also. There is a logo of DaMENSCH on front down left corner. DaMENSCH branding on back middle top. This is the second vest. This is the front. Greasy beige color. And this is back. And this is third and last vest, crisp grey color. This is back. This is the front. In my opinion, these vests are very nice and comfortable. Do tell your opinion in the comments. This is not a sponsored video, this is my own personal opinion about these vests. If you want to buy them, find the buy links in the description of this video. Subscribe to my channel now. If new here, which brief or trunk do you want to see here unboxing and reviewing? Tell in the comments. See you in the next video. We'll be doing Sidhi Baat, no bakwas. Thank you.